Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about sTheorem. So the range of side to n, that should be about from negative number 1 to positive number 1. Similar for this one in here. So we have cosine n. That should be about from negative number 1 to positive number 1. Now if we put negative number 1 n for the both side, we have like this. Now we need to sum two equations together. Next, we divide by ln of 2n for the both sides. Next, I will put the limit for the both sides. Next, about this one, when n go to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity. However, this one they still be about the numbers in here. So the numbers divided by positive infinity, you got 0. Now, similar for the second one. Because this one and this one equals to number 0, so this one equals to number 0. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.